It's beautiful Interlaken.
Here we are here, okay, in the heart of Interlaken, and it's almost like 11 o'clock here, and it's so quiet. And I've got good goosebumps, because of the cold weather. And you can hear the water, hear the sound of the water. Water is so clean. It's just like we are in heaven. That's the final word.
So this is our breakfast, and all thanks to Mr. Sudarshan. He got us breakfast here, and this is the place where we're having our breakfast. It's a beautiful place. Very good morning from
Switzerland.
And where are we now?
We are here, okay, in Interlaken, in between, okay, the Alps, and with, okay, beautiful cows.
Let's go and explore.
Yes.
Let's go and explore some cows here. Local cows.
These are Jersey cows.
Jersey cows.
Yes.
So those are the cows behind me. They're having a good time, and I hope you heard my brother saying something in Hindi to me. But yeah, we are just having a good time. We are in the middle of the Alps. Beautiful waterfall right there at the mountains. And we are going to have a very, very good day here. So peaceful, people cycling around. You can see people cycling right there. Cows are here. Our car is there. Mayur is there, and I'm here. So we're having an excellent time, and stay tuned. Mayur is on a telephone call with his family in India, explaining the situation, what happened yesterday with the dog. He can't get over it. Today we're gonna go and have some very good Chinese or Thai lunch again, because I feel for it. Currently we're waiting for something here in Interlaken. The cows are behind. And yeah, an extremely lovely weather, beautiful, beautiful, clear skies, and just having a good time. So now I'm going to meet one of my very good friends, Martin and Andrea. And where they work at Swiss Helicopters. Yes, so I'm at Swiss Helicopters airbase here in Interlaken, and we're going to go and meet Martin and Andrea and see if we can get close and personal to the helicopters here. And yeah, stay tuned.
Hello.
So here we have
from? What's your name?
Rene from Skydive Interlaken.
Yes, that's me.
Yes. We normally work with Christian very closely. and we do send our passengers for skydive
Thank
with
you
the
so
helicopter.
much.
We work with Martin also very, very closely.
Perfect.
So
it's
you
not
hear-
easy to work closely with Martin.
Yes, I know that. but we find a way out. We find a way out.
Perfect.
But nice to see you.
Thank
nice
you.
to
Good
see
to see you as well. We go jumping now even.
You're going to jump in now. We're going to
We
record
take off in
that.
5 minutes.
Great. We're going to record that.
Perfect.
So this gentleman was from Skydive Interlaken. So you know the right person. Whenever you want to travel to Switzerland, Interlaken, UK, Europe, anywhere, we're the right person to get in touch with. You know, we know all these people and we can get you the best experience with the best prices. That's their car. They would pick you up from your hotel in Interlaken, Skydive Interlaken, and then they bring you here at the Swiss helicopter. And now I'm going to show you how do they take off, and they will jump off from 10,000 feet in a parachute.
If you want to, I can do it.
Getting ready
2 minutes.
to take off.
Yes, this is Musab.
Hello,
Already
hi.
4 times skydiving, I think.
Oh wow,
Three
three
times.
times. This is the fourth one.
Too quick.
And you, gentlemen,
Sultan,
first time. Excited, both of you?
Yes.
Great. We'll be filming you.
Yeah.
So this is the helicopter they will be taking off in. These are a couple of flights which are offered by the Swiss helicopter. We've got maps there, and these are all the flights and the pricing.
We work together. It's not a good our company. We rent the helicopter.
And I always recommend to go to Mount Jungfrau with a helicopter. So this is the Jungfrau flight, and that's what they charge. So one way to go to Jungfrau is 850, and a return trip is 1400 Swiss francs. Again, we as a company can book this for you, so do let us know if you need any assistance booking this, because we can book this with a chauffeured car, a hotel in Switzerland, and of course we can offer you skydiving as well here.
For sure.
That's the gentleman. All the best. So those were two jumpers for the skydive. They went in the helicopter. The helicopter's almost around 6,000 to 7,000 feet. They're going to go at 10 to 12,000 and jump from there. Yeah, they were super excited, and we hope that they enjoy their flight. Here I am with the main person of the Swiss helicopter, and he's going to give us a little bit of brief about what they do, how they do, and things like that. And again, if you want to book Swiss helicopter, do let us know. You can contact them directly as well. But of course, we can put in your car, your hotel, and sightseeing together and bring you right here for this amazing flight. So let's talk with the gentleman right here. Hello, sir. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very well, very well. Good to
Nice.
see you.
Nice to meet you at Swiss Helicopters.
Thank you.
My name is Martin, and I will introduce you with our sightseeing flights, which you can do with the helicopters.
All right.
Out of Interlaken, we are located about 5-6 minutes away from Interlaken by car. and we are really close to the famous mountain like Eiger, Monk and Jungfrau. Jungfrau with the top of Europe, the railway station, which is on 3,500 meters above sea level.
Wow.
Here you get to see where we are, located nearby Interlaken in Wilderswil, and we do have different sightseeing flights over the lakes and over the city of Interlaken, for example, or to the mountain. Number one is the north face, to the famous, the biggest north face in the Alps. Number two goes along Eiger north face, Monk north face. You get to see the Finks from Jungfrau, and you get to see the seracs all around Jungfrau mountain. Comes back over Lauterbrunnen to here. The number three circuit goes to the backhand side of the mountain, from where you can see the interior mountain world with the biggest glacier, alleged glacier. This is the longest glacier in the Alps.
Wow, wow, wow. So these are the kind of flights they offer. Yeah, they're very rightly based. Do you arrange transfer from the hotel to your base?
The distance by car is about 6-7 minutes from each hotel in Interlaken.
Each hotel. And do you arrange that? If somebody wants to come?
Usually we don't arrange, but if you do need help, we'll organize you the taxi right to the hotel door.
Okay.
That's not a problem.
Great, great.
We also do have, for these flights that I introduced you with, we do have personal prices, like between 150 and 660 francs, depends on the length of the flight. But remind, you have to be minimum 3 person to be able to do this flight. Otherwise we can't provide this price. Because they are pretty low with 150 francs a minute. These machines, one is landing in a minute, these machines cost per minute about between 50 and 60 Swiss francs. So that makes the price here well high.
So either you can have the helicopter by yourself with your own family, and of course you have to pay for the empty seats, or else you can share it with other group of members, but that all depends if they've got other clients flying on the same route at that point of time. But they are very flexible and we can organize very good tours. You see one helicopter landing which I need to show you. It's right there. So, Mr. Martin, thank you very much for talking with us, and we hope we can have some good collaboration with you in near future.
Thank you very much. We'll see you soon. The hangar.
Mr. Martin is accompanying us into his hangar, beautiful hangar here. Normally there are a lot of helicopters here, but they are away.
Up to 4 or 5 helicopters once in a while, but right now there is nothing in it because all the machines are flying. And at the moment we don't have any machines in the Technique. Usually there's at least one machine in the Technique, because they do have to be controlled very often, sometimes for weeks and months.
Right.
But the last machine left the hangar before yesterday.
Before yesterday, great. And you have other bases in Switzerland as well?
We do have a lot of bases all over the Swiss Alps especially. But that one here is the most common, or the most famous one, because it's very touristic, very close to the big mountains and very close to Interlaken, so that makes it really famous. The other bases are more used by cargo helicopters, like we do have to work in the woods, or for all kind of companies to move goods around.
I have also seen you do rescue flights in the mountain. If someone is stuck while hiking or something, you do that?
We help to do that. This is not our main business. There is a company which called Rega. They do the whole rescue thing all over Switzerland. And if they need us, we're going to help them.
Okay, great. So we are with Mayur Bhai inside the hangar. So
It's beautiful.
beautiful. We go behind the scenes as well. You can see the hangar behind us. You know, originally we both come from Mumbai, so we know how it's done. It's just we've not done it before.
Exactly.
So guys, please do support us. Please do like, subscribe and share the video, and I swear we will never disappoint you. Trust me.
At the moment it's totally empty just because it's prepared for the
Skydive.
jumping flight, for skydiving. So there's anything which could fall off the machines.
Right. So that's the helicopter. We're up close and personal. And soon we'll be taking off in this beauty. A beautiful machine. So what is this machine called? Which type of helicopter is it?
This is an Accurary H125,
And it's made in where?
France.
It's made in France. It's a
Southern
French,
France.
it's a French machine. Let's go inside and see the cockpit. So these are the seats for passengers. You can accommodate 4 at the back, and of course 1 can sit next to the pilot, and that's the pilot cockpit right there. Yeah, very good.
Enjoy the flight.
that was the amazing experience with the helicopter. And while driving down back to Interlaken, in fact now we're heading to Grindelwald, which is the point to go to Mount Jungfrau right at the top. We saw fresh water field where we're gonna get some fresh water. I've got my empty bottle of water.
Hello.
Hi. So whenever I come to Switzerland, I buy a couple of bottles of water, and once it's finished, I never buy. I just take the empty bottles and we just fill the bottle from here. How are you, sir?
Hello.
It's good water?
Yeah, very nice.
Very nice. Cold. That's what we want. So now I'm gonna fill the water right here. We're gonna fill the water and we will enjoy this water. It's very nice and cold water. I can feel it on my hand. And the water comes from the Alps. It's pure water. That's the water. Whoa, amazing. Trust me, it's amazing water. And now I'm gonna have it in Indian style as well. This is the water which I filled up for today. And I need some more water here because I'm thirsty. So let's have it in the Indian style. Please come closer. It's just so yummy. Mayur also has this bottle of water. Which one is it?
It's Evian.
Yeah, but you got it from here, right?
Yes, absolutely. Swiss made Evian.
Swiss.